How you doing? This is Devin Butler, and I want to welcome you to the Evolve Basketball app training sign up. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your training portal inside the app and get going so you can start getting a lot of users on the app, start making some money. Now, I'm going to send you a link to sign up for the app as a trainer, and you're going to just fill in the tabs with your name, your profile URL, your email and password that you're going to use to log in, and your city and state. And these are some key things that will help users find you inside the app and make you more well known. So once you fill out that stuff, it's going to send a link to me, and then I'm going to approve you inside the app. Now you're going to go to the top part and take away all the backslash and just go to evolvesportshq.com. Now I'm going to show you an example of a trainer that we have, Jordan Lawley, where you log in using your email and password that you have just created. So you click on the I'm not a robot thing and click on the appropriate squares. This enables you and helps the account stay secure. Now once you sign in, you have a control panel, which is your news feed, your subscribers, videos, your weight training videos. So the first thing that we're going to do is show you how to upload a video, how to create your categories and subcategories. And at the top right hand corner, this is where you're able to change your profile picture, update and change your password. And once you create all your password and stuff, you also need to go back and download the app. Make sure you have the app and then log in so you can make sure everything checks out that you're uploading. But you do that in between this. So you can click on the My Videos section to start off. Now Jordan already has about 20 videos. So as soon as you click on that, you have your full video library. So you see these are all the videos he have inside of his training portal right now. But they're broken up into categories and in the subcategories. So you see how you could search and change the categories and subcategories there, but the first thing you're going to click on is add new video. Now you have the paid and free option, which will be taken away later, but always keep your videos under the free option. The first thing you're going to do is click add new category. Where it says title, you're going to click there and type in the category. As you see here, these are some of the categories that Jordan already had, from elite videos to scoring. You can edit and delete these categories. You can make these categories whatever you want, however you want to break things down to your users. So once you type in the categories, I'm going to show you an example. It'll be some other examples that'll come up from categories that are already made, but just make an example of a category you want to specifically make. Once you make that category, you're also going to click the save button, and then once you scroll down, you'll be able to see it'll be in this title selection of the other categories that you have inside the app. If you want to delete it or edit it, just click on the edit button. So I just clicked on the edit button here, and I'm able to change the name of the category. So this category, I'm changing it to one-on-one moves or something like that, and press update. You scroll back down, you change the name of that category. This enables the users, once they go inside the app, they are able to find what they want to work on. By basically using Instagram and you're promoting those categories. Now, especially if you're uploading a lot of videos, the categories are going to become very broad. So once you click add new category, you have to create subcategories for your categories. So these are the categories on the left, and the subcategories are right there in the middle. Now, you find the category that you want to add the subcategory to. So you're going to click on the title here for the one-on-one moves. We're going to add that subcategory that we want with it. So inside the app, when they click on one-on-one moves, then they'll be broken down. So say if you had one-on-one moves off the dribble, from the wing, from the top of the key, NBA breakdown, stuff like that. I just labeled this one one-on-one battles. So you scroll down now, here you got one-on-one moves, and then you have one-on-one battles. And that's what happens after they click on the one-on-one moves. And if anything is going too fast for you in this video, just go ahead and pause it and stop. So if you click the manage content button here on the left hand side, click back to my videos, it's going to take you back to the very beginning of the my videos category. So you see everything is laid out for you. So I'm going to add a video to the new category I just created. So you select the video category and you select the subcategory, which you only have one. The next thing you do is you're going to add a title of the video. Now that's very important, because having that title helps you describe to your users, especially on social media, what you're doing and what you're looking for. After that, you want to be able to indicate to your users what skill level is the video and the media type. Since you're uploading a video, always choose video. If you was uploading a picture, choose the other option, the media option. For media here, you don't need to click anything, and then for the URL, you don't need to click anything there either. So you're gonna click on the choose file button, and if the videos are on your phone, on your hard drive, on a computer, doesn't matter, because you can also access this website on your phone. In later videos, we'll be making sure the app is able to do these same tasks inside the app on your profile, but right now you do it on the Evolve Sports HQ website. So I'm just gonna upload a random video. You want to try to make your video file smaller with programs like Wondershare and stuff like that. Now for your users, you want to make sure you leave a description for them. Inside the video, they have a drop-down menu inside the app, and they're able to see the description that you leave for the user. So once you type in a description, that's going to be inside the video. And it's also important for your notifications, because when the notifications come up, you're going to have the video preview, you're going to have the title, and you're going to have a description of the video also. So they'll be able to see all of these things, and then they'll say it came from you. So those things are important, especially if you want to actually break down the move inside the app with your voice and what you're doing, and a step-by-step guide with the description. So I'm just basically typing in something kind of random, working on our one-on-one moves inside the app. And this basically helps the user, basically breaks it down what you're trying to accomplish and teaching them what to do. Now you see there's an active button here, but you're gonna go ahead and click save. You wanna make sure that always says active. And you wanna give it a minute, and while it loads, don't get off the screen, don't go to another screen, let it go ahead and load, and once it's finished uploading into the server, it'll go back to the next page. Now once the video is finished uploading, it's going to take you back to the video management screen, which is going to have all the videos you have in your video queue. Now if you're looking for your video automatically goes to the bottom. It's going to go all the way to the bottom, and you're going to see it's going to say inactive. The reason why it says inactive is because it's still uploading to the server, so you need to give it some time, hit the refresh button. You're able to click on all the videos and see if they're able to be played by just clicking on the picture of the video. But let's go to our video category where the video is actually at. So you see it's here, we press the refresh button. It still isn't active yet. So to make sure this process goes well, you want to go ahead and click on the video. You see it's not playing. Don't worry, it's not a problem. Just click on the edit button here. And once you click on the edit button, scroll down to the bottom and flip that switch and make it active. Now by making it active, it'll put it inside the app. So you might want to upload maybe say 5-6 videos in one day, but you don't want to have them all inside the app at that one time. So you could go ahead and flip the switch to active and inactive. Once that green button says active and you click on it, now that video is going to play. So now you have a video directly inside the app. If you want videos to upload faster, I suggest converting the videos and making the file smaller. By making the file smaller, they upload faster. Now you see the star and the X. That's to mark the video as advertised. I'll make it a featured video, and that will show up on your page inside the app, which we'll go over a little bit later. So if you want to check out some of the other categories, just click on the main category and the subcategory, and you can see other videos that you have. Now I'm about to show you how to rearrange the videos. So I'm going to show you maybe 3 videos that Jordan has in one of his categories. So in the step back category for his James Harden moves, he has 3 videos, and that's how it's organized inside the app. To change the organization of the videos, all you do is drag it up, drag it down. So whatever's first that's showing here, that's what's going to show up first in the app, second, third, fourth, and so on. It's just easy management, dragging it up, dragging it down. It's the same type of thing to do for every section. If you only have one video in that section, that's the only video that's going to be inside that section. Now, once you press the Evolve logo and you want to check out your subscribers to send them emails, see where they're from, see what area they're in, just click on their name. Click on the section, and you have everyone who's subscribed to use email. That's the perks of being a part of Evolve. So you're able to send out newsletters if you're selling products, stuff like that, to see where your users are located at, and to keep them up to date with you inside the app and virtually on your Instagram or whatever else you're trying to do. Now let's take you inside the app. Once you've done all this, you need to be checking the app or doing it simultaneously. So at the top, you have some of your featured members. You luckily might be on there, might not. But to find your stuff inside the app, click on the videos tab at the bottom and find your bubble at the top. All the trainers will be located at the top. And if you want to see even more trainers, press the see all button. So we're just gonna go to Jordan because that's what we was focused on. I clicked on his James Harden moves, and you see his step back moves. You see it's rearranged the way how I arranged it inside the administrator panel. Anything you do in there reflects inside the app. The description that was made, once you press the drop down menu, it shows up there. The video shows up at the top. If you turn the screen sideways or have the phone sideways in your hand, it goes full screen. And click on the scoring section, and we see even more categories. Also notice that the videos are labeled by intermediate or professional, so that's another big thing that you're doing. And if you haven't clicked on the video, for the users on their end, it's going to say new, which you see is in the top right hand corner. At the bottom, you're going to have comments from other users and yourself if you want to leave comments, and so on and so forth. Now this section here that you see at the top that says ball tempo, that's your advertisement area. That's where you want to put some of your elite videos that you want people to check out and some of the first things that you see. So you see this area inside the app that says featured or marked as advertisement. If you just click one of those are the videos that are going to show up there, the one with the check mark. Now, once you actually go through the app, every user has a profile. So this is my profile here, where you see I have my posts, my followers, and such and so forth. Now, a trainer, your end is going to look different. Now, this is Jordan's profile, but he doesn't have anything on his news feed as of yet. So we're going to go check out B-Dot's profile so you can see how someone who's more active inside the app as far as their news feed standpoint looks as opposed to a regular user. That's Jordan's again. Mine was the one before. So if we click on B-Dot, you see how he has video posts that he has on his page along with his basketball training videos, and you can see the number of subscribers here, and you post that at the top. Thanks for being a part of Evolve, and if you want to get in contact with us, go to www.evolvebasketballapp.com to send us an email or send us a personal DM on Instagram at Evolve Basketball App.